everyone, I'm Brandy Maslowski, the Quilter on Fire. I'm a quilt teacher, speaker, and judge, and the author of children's picture book, Christie's Quilt. I love to teach quilting and fiber art to every level of quilter, and my workshops and lectures are created to bring you more joy and less overwhelm. Let's take a look at my Zoom portfolio. I have 2 Zoom lectures available. First, it's the trunk show, and my story as a quilter. You'll learn all about my journey and why my business is called Quilter on Fire. Second, it's my most popular lecture called Studio Magnificent. I've had my studio featured in magazines 3 times, so I'll share my tips and tricks to create your special creative space. Now let's hit the workshops. First, I've got 3 patterns available. The first is my brand new pattern called Zen Ocean Waves. You'll learn curved piecing and some strippy improv. Next is my most popular pattern called Glorious and Free. This is the new mini version with the color wash. You'll learn how to do a color wash if you're in the class, but it's actually 50 by 70, the full size, and there's a medium size too. And third is my Black Sheep Block Party. This is a super fun tumbling block technique to eliminate those inset seams. Now let's talk technique workshops. I have 5. First, we have Fiber Art Frenzy. You make the wine bottle bag as your canvas, and you learn 4 to 6 fiber art techniques. Next, my very first fiber art quilt. You learn everything from color to piecing to switching up the design and how to face it. Colorways is by far my most popular class. You make a fiber art piece using up your batik scraps and having super fun time with all those embellishments, and you make your fiber art piece start to finish in a day. Contemporary Crazy Quilted Baby Blanket. No batting, no fuss. Use all your favorite fabrics to make a baby blanket in a day. Freestyle Bargello. This 2-day workshop gets you from fabulous foundation to black on black free motion quilting. And finally, my Zoom Mystery Workshop. This is for all those guilds out there who've never tried Zoom before. It's a short 2-hour workshop where you get to try a super secret surprise and Zoom for the very first time. Now before you go, I just want to say that if quilting was my peanut butter, quilt travel destinations would be my jam. So I know that travel is at a standstill for 2020, but keep an eye on my website for 2021 because fancy things are going to be happening like Italy and France and Japan. I'd love to have you join me. Find out everything you need to know or contact me anytime at quilteronfire.com.